Hey guys, if you're looking to buy a renovation property in Charleston area or sell a home in the Charleston area, maybe you want to get it ready for market, or when you're buying a renovation property, this will also give you some things to think about, specifically about flooring. Now, I'm a DIY guy. I'm a realtor in Charleston, South Carolina. I'm not a contractor. I want to bring that up. But this is one project I'm doing right now. So if you're looking at a home, we have a lot of hardwood to go over. This is kind of typical in a home that was built around the 1950s, 1960s in our area. It's 3/4 inch hardwood. Planks are like 2 1/4 wide. Sometimes we have a subfloor we need to deal with, so I put down a new subfloor right here. Give us a nice foundation. I did a little bit of work on the floor joist, so we got something real solid. Now when I go to put these planks down, we're going to use a barrier for moisture, keep things nice and dry. We're also got a couple things. This was something I salvaged from the floor, the original floor. And then I bought some lumber, hardwood floor. This is new stuff, so we tried to match it up as best we can. We're going to weave it in. And I don't know if you can see it from here, but did create an area where we're going to weave in our old floor into the new floor to hopefully make it a nice smooth transition. All these things, flooring, are great items that you could potentially do yourself if you're into that. We have, of course, contractors are always an option. If you have any questions on any of that stuff, this was just a quick video to get you thinking. Again, my name is Reichel. I'm a realtor in the Charleston area. Give me a shout. Give me a call. My number is 843-714-4428. Thank you. Have a great day.